Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the Nightlight feature on and off on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, click the Start menu button from the bottom toolbar. In the search bar, search for Settings and open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. Now select Display. In the display settings, you will see a Nightlight option. You can enable it or disable it here by clicking the toggle. If you click the arrow, you can open more options for Nightlight. Here you can adjust the strength of Nightlight and also set up a schedule so it automatically comes on and off during dark hours. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.